So I'm here with a 32-cent account, and at the moment I'm in a trade on Volatility 50 index. So the goal for this challenge will be to get to $1,000 or $2,000 depending on how the market moves. And after my previous video, I got a bunch of comments questioning the authenticity, fucking hell. Well, as you can see here, it's a real account. You've got the options to make withdrawals and to make deposits. In less than 4 minutes, the market moved in the bearish direction. You can see that the entry was pretty clean. And right now we're almost at $1. We're 85 cents in profit. It's been 15 minutes since I got into this trade, and I'll be exiting the trade because we're approaching a support level. I don't know whether or not the market will react to this particular support level, but I really don't want to take the risk. And you can see the support level right here. And right now we've got a balance of $2.52. From here, I did manage to catch this buy trade on step index. Getting into a trade with pullbacks on the step indices is the most reliable way to make profit. So that's what I did right here. And that raised the balance from $2.52 to $10.32 with just one trade. So overall, it was a great trade. And step index, it's really risky. You just have to be really careful and clever about it. For the next trade, I'm here on Volatility 25 1S index, and I see a potential 2-in-1 trade. Each one of these volatility indices have peculiarities and things that make them different in one way or another. And for those on the Telegram channel, I sent out a link that should explain everything about these volatilities in detail. So I expect everyone on the channel to go through the indices and to understand their properties. But for Volatility 25 1S index, it reacts especially to the 38.2 on the Fibonacci retracement tool. And for Volatility 10 1S index, it reacts to the 50.0 on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So each and every one of them have different properties. For this particular trade, I'll be going in for a sell at that 38.2 on the Fibonacci retracement tool. I'm in the trade, and although I did not get into the trade where I wanted, it's still close enough. So I don't expect the market to go above this level right here. And all we can do right now would be to wait for the market to move. There's still a chance I re-enter this same trade with a larger lot size, but I'll just have to wait to see how the market moves. Now, gentlemen and ladies, you are really close to that take profit after some time of waiting. And we've hit the take profit. Right now, we are really close to a balance of $50 on the account. And I'll try to re-enter for a continuation trade on Volatility 25 1S index, but I'll need to wait for a pullback because we're currently at a support level. I was able to re-enter this trade, but unfortunately, it wasn't the cleanest of entries. But after about 10 minutes, the market moved in the bearish direction just as I analyzed. It got really close to the take profit, but decided to reverse in the bullish direction. So I had to close the trade, and this trade brought the account up to $96 in preparation for the most extreme trade in this challenge yet. So I'm here on Volatility 51S index, and I see what appears to be a 2-in-1 trade again. At the moment, the market is moving in an uptrend, and from my analysis on the larger time frames, I expect the market to break this recent high and then reverse in the bearish direction. So the plan would be to go in for a buy and then to get into the sell trade eventually with a sell limits order. And for the sell limits order, I'll be risking whatever I make from this buy trade that I have running at the moment. So whatever I make from here, from this trade, I'll risk for the next trade. Now, these trades rely heavily on my analysis and my accuracy. So for a 2-in-1 trade like this, it's really hard to successfully pull them off. I'll wait for the market to move, or I'll get some sleep because it's already quite late here. So I'll get some sleep, and in the morning I'll be back with the results. It's the next day, and the market moved for the first trade to hit the take profit, and the profit on the trade was around $360. For the second trade, however, we moved really close to the stop loss, and the trade is still running. And it was around this time I started to feel the pressure of actually making such a significant loss on this account, because I've gone from less than $1 to $400, and with one losing trade, more than 1 week of work can be gone in an instant. I considered closing the trade because it was a really high risk trade, but then I just decided to go with my analysis, to trust the process, and this turned out to be an excellent decision because the market started to move aggressively in the bearish direction. First, it was $200 and then $500 worth of profit, and in no time the market moved to smash that take profit for an insane $1,600 win on the trade, and that raised the balance up from $400 to $2,100 with just one well-placed trade. Now this is a really risky way to trade. It's not advised that you trade like this. I will never advise people to trade like this. So in the next video I plan to trade some accounts for those who are interested. So if you want to be part of the next video, I'll be managing some accounts for whoever is interested, and the minimum account size should be around $200 to make the trading process easier. I think going from 32 cents to $2,000 is enough for me to get a follow, and also don't forget to join the Telegram channel. With that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.